How to log into your MySpace account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how you can easily log into your MySpace account. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for MySpace, just like this. You can also search in for MySpace login and just click on this first link which appears over here, which is the official website of MySpace. So just tap on that, and once you tap on that, you just have to wait for a few seconds until you are redirected to this page. So from over here you can also actually sign in with your Facebook account or Twitter account as well. So if you have already signed in with your registered email address or username, you can just easily type in the following email address just like this, and once you enter your registered email address, you just have to enter your password, and you can actually choose on to keep me signed in or not based on your choice. So for now I'll simply uncheck it and click on sign in to successfully sign into your MySpace account. And if you ever forget your password, you can just tap on this forget password button to successfully reset your password using your verified Gmail address or phone number as well. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.